And what do you sell? What type of fashion accessories?
We have most of them being African. So we have the Indian types, the Nigerian types, the American types. In fact, Kenyan necklaces too are there. Look at 10 countries we have here. Necklaces, they are not only necklaces, bracelets, they are bags, they are slippers. Basically fashion accessories.
Yes.
From Africa.
Just like these ones you
yes.
These
bracelets.
These
multicolored,
yeah, lovely bracelets.
Yeah.
You sell them in the malls
yes.
as well. What other products do you sell besides jewelry, besides the necklaces, the earrings, and the
we have bags? There are bags, there are shoes, sandals.
And shoes too?
Yes.
Do you make the shoes yourself? Do you produce
we make some of them. We have factories that make them here in Ghana. In the bags too, we have factories, our own kind of workshop, mini factories that makes them here. And the beads too, we make them here.
Absolutely.
So this fantastic. Is not so imported. They are from here.
Wow. Of course they're from here. We don't want anything to do with it because here is best. Here is where it's at. Yes. So there's bracelets, there's necklaces, earrings, bags, shoes,
slippers. We don't have them just for adults, we have them some for kids.
Wow.
Yes, we have kids slippers, kids sandals, most of them made here.
Yes.
As well.
Oh wow. And that's in all your malls?
Yes, all the shops. Yes.
And what's the name of your brand?
It's MV.
MV. That's M for Mike, V for Victor.
Yeah, MV.
Yeah, MV.
Yes. But as we went on, we noticed that the bags were moving daily.
Yes.
And in retail, we need to have daily income to survive.
Yes.
Because of the rents, the high rents we pay. So we decided to add fashion accessories that are less expensive. And then these locally made jewelry came to mind.
Yes.
Easy go, anybody at all to purchase some of these less expensive items.
Yes.
And that worked out. Wow. So we kept on adding fashion jewelry, fashion, other accessories just to make the shop survive.
Yes.
And to serve the purpose of customers coming in looking for this item to don't have. Once we didn't have, we added it. That has been our pleasure. Wow. As our customers directly.